Today, we are exploring Lincoln Park and its newest addition, the apartments at Lincoln Common. 2 luxury towers, both full of bright lit studios, convertibles, 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom apartments, and 2- and 3-bedroom breathtaking penthouses with private outdoor spaces too. First, walk with me through what many consider to be Chicago's idyllic neighborhood. When winter takes a breather, Chicagoans flock like seagulls to the lakefront trail for all of the summer activities. From Diversey Harbor, filled with boats in the summer, to Lincoln Park Zoo, where newlyweds take photos for their special day at the Nature Boardwalk. Lincoln Park has arguably the best slice of the lakefront, with tons of classic architecture and peaceful green space to get lost in. It can't be understated how inspiring it is to live mere blocks away from all of this beauty. Let's dive in to all of the greatness at this luxurious extension of Lincoln Park and its newest luxury apartment towers, here at the popular intersection of Fullerton, Halsted, and Lincoln, where there's something exciting to explore every moment. Lincoln Park is more than just brownstone walk-ups, brick row homes, and student housing. Let me show you something I bet you've never seen before. We're touring Lincoln Common Apartments today in the heart of Lincoln Park. This property opened in April of 2019 and was developed by Hines. It's made up of 538 apartments between 2 towers, 20 stories each, and they both have their own sets of amenities. Take a look at these sun-soaked sky lounges. They also have their own rooftop pool and grilling stations with all the sun facing southwest. It's pretty rare to have a rooftop hot tub, but you do get one here at Lincoln Common, right next to the pool. So you get that perfect sunset vibe, hanging out at the hot tub with a drink in hand. The amenities go far beyond just a rooftop pool, like these cozy resident living rooms and huge conference rooms. This sun-soaked junior 1-bedroom facing west offers an amazing open living room with tons of space. It's a great layout, giving you room for an office and places to eat at home while the sun is setting, perfect setting the mood. The junior 1-bedrooms here are almost 600 square feet and are so spacious. You can fit at least a queen-size bed in the bedroom area. Huge walk-in closets. Actually, 2 walk-in closets here. I mean, you can step all the way in here. So much hanging space. Take a look at the custom built-out closet over here, maximizing storage to fit everything you need. Every apartment home at Lincoln Common offers full-size front-loading laundry. Take a look at that. You can fit all of your bedding right in here, multiple loads, and you get the extra shelving over here for even more storage in this junior 1-bedroom. This is one of my favorite studio floor plans. I love that it's an open concept, yet you have the opportunity to divide the space on your own to separate the bedroom if you'd like. You also have a full open kitchen here with full-size appliances, a 5-burner gas range in this studio that's not even 500 square feet. In this open concept studio, you can enjoy the sunset right from your bed or from the kitchen. And even in the living room, this studio is filled with sun. And more impressive closet space in this efficient studio. Take a look at all these built outs. I mean, what's not to fit? Look at these luxurious bathrooms with white marble tile throughout the entire kitchen and the bathroom floors. Look how much storage there is. There's literally cabinets, drawers on drawers, cabinets on cabinets. I mean, how do you need this much storage in your bathroom? And this is the studio. And you have more built-in storage here. You get 2 full closets in this convertible, and you get more windows here in this junior 1-bed than in most of their 1 or 2 bedroom layouts here at Lincoln Common. This is not your typical cookie cutter floor plan. No, there is so much shape to this. You could put your bed over here or your bed over here. And what I love is that you could actually put a divider wall up right here if you wanted to separate the bedroom space on a day-to-day basis or permanently for yourself. Their bathrooms are so luxurious here at Lincoln Common. I'm just obsessed with the tiling. I love all the extra storage you get. I mean, seriously? Some of the units do have bathtubs and some come with standing showers as well. So we have both for whatever preference you have. We're in a pretty standard 1-bedroom right now here at Lincoln Common. And yes, this is pretty standard. Look how large this is. This is a perfect floor plan if you're looking to fit your sectional couch as well as dining here. It's also a perfect floor plan if you and your roommate or partner love to cook. I mean, look how much counter space you get. I love when a developer makes an island where you don't have the sink right in the middle or the stove right in the middle. This can be used as your dining table and a spread for all of your festivities. Another perfect bedroom here at Lincoln Common. In this 1-bedroom, take a look at the walk-through closet, and this room is big enough to fit a king-size bed. I love this little extra cubby that they put over here for a little added storage. You can really get creative here. Put some little knickknacks or, roll up towels or blankets. It's very unique to this space. Even on the lower floors, you have some pretty cool views. Take a step out onto your own private balcony as you overlook the adorable courtyard. Look at the statue right there in the middle. Can you guess where the other one is in the city that's just like it? Lincoln Common is not just apartments. This is a little city within a city. You can probably smell the super popular Phil's coffee that's right within the courtyard, where there's a blend for everyone and yummy breakfast bites too. When 5 o'clock rolls around, head down to the local wine bar, Verve Wine, where they offer tastings and pairings, as well as unique sommelier-curated selections of thousands of different types of wines that can also be delivered. Or head just a few steps down to Taco Town, aka Velvet Taco, open late night, featuring tacos without borders and a WTF weekly taco feature. This time they had a chicken and waffles taco with a waffle tortilla. WTF. You heard me. Yum. Discover more lush parks all around you, like Oz Park, just a block south. We'll come back to visit this later. Lincoln Avenue is lined with lively pubs for those craving nightlife, unique shops to explore, and several guilty pleasure late-night spots, like Insomnia Cookies that deliver warm, delicious goodness till 3 a.m. Feel like a kid again at Oz Park, where you'll get to visit all your favorite Wizard of Oz characters, like my favorite, the Tin Man and the Scarecrow. The Fullerton red, purple, and brown line stop is just a few blocks from your door and will zip you right into the city before you know it. I'm showing off this 2-bedroom penthouse today at Lincoln Common. We are on the 19th floor, the top floor, 10-foot ceilings up here. Look at all of these windows. You're on a corner unit, of course, northeast corner, so you get all the city, all of the lake up here. This is almost 1,600 square feet, plus your own private outdoor space. Of course, you get an extra large refrigerator with double doors in this penthouse 2-bedroom, plus a 5-burner gas range and the ventilation that goes right outside. You also get a wine fridge in this one, which is so special. Talk about luxury. This is the apartment for you, for all you wine connoisseurs. Come on into the guest room. Yes, this is the guest room. Look at your guest closet. Huge walk-in, fully built out. You get the luxurious bathroom again, and then you come into this perfectly squared bedroom that you can fit a king-size bed in here. You can also fit room for a couch or a luggage bench. Take a look at the bathroom. You have a double vanity and a standing shower with a bathtub. Take a look at the views from the primary bedroom. We're facing east, so you get all the morning sun and all of that water. Take a step outside on your own private terrace while you enjoy the sunrise as you sip your cup of joe or tea right here in privacy. The rooftop fitness centers are filled with equipment, including Pelotons, of course, and sweeping city views to keep you motivated. This property will absolutely blow your mind. The best part about living here? Having access to Lincoln Park and the zoo, the lakefront trail, and all the peaceful moments to keep you grounded. All of this is just less than a half a mile from home. Walking through Lincoln Park is a photographer's dream. Whether black and white or full color. Day or night, even in winter, this place is full of life, culture, and activities. Like visiting the zoo lights, transporting you to a winter wonderland. So are you ready to make a move to Lincoln Park? I have a team full of agents that are ready to help each and every one of you find your dream apartment in the city. Find our contact information in the About section or follow us on social media for more tips and tricks about living in Chicago. Not sold on Lincoln Park? There are 76 other neighborhoods that make up Chicago. Let me know what neighborhood you want to see featured next in the comments section below. Thank you for watching Live Shy TV, and be sure to subscribe and share with all of your friends.